Ready to turn your passion for podcasting into a profitable venture? Today, we're diving deep into the question, how can you actually make money with Buzzsprout, one of the leading podcast hosting platforms? Let's explore the exciting world of podcast monetization. First up, let's talk about the granddaddy of podcast income, advertising. Buzzsprout makes it super easy to insert ads into your episodes. You can either find advertisers yourself or utilize their built-in tools to connect with potential sponsors. The idea is sponsors pay you to play their ads during your podcast. Next, we've got sponsorships. Building a relationship with brands who align with your podcast's niche allows for a personalized shout-out during your episodes. Remember to negotiate rates and ensure seamless integration with your content. Then, there's affiliate marketing. This involves recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in. You include a special affiliate link to these products in your show notes, and if your listeners make a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. If you're keen on offering exclusive content, consider premium content offerings. This may be bonus episodes, early releases, or extended interview episodes, available only to paying subscribers. To get started with all of these options, log into your Buzzsprout account. From there, explore the monetization tools, which are designed to help you generate income. Remember, consistency and a strong audience are key for success. Build a reliable audience, create valuable content, and the money will surely follow. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more podcast tips and tricks. How do you monetize your show? Let us know in the comments below.